Welcome back for EVS once again. So children, in the last video we have seen about different types of houses around the world. Okay, what type of houses different people live in and why do they live and why do they make those proper houses. Okay, so today we will be studying what is a good home. Okay, and how can you make a home good or bad by your actions or by your you know how can you manage keeping the house clean or keeping a house good or bad. Okay, so let us see what are the qualities of a good home. Okay, uh, now features of a good home. The house that we live in is called our home. As I told you in the last video also, home, it is a home. Okay, why? Because you all are living, that is why it is a home. Otherwise it is nothing but four walls, concrete walls, nothing else. But you all are living there with a family, love, care, affection, all these things make a home. Now, a good home has plenty of windows and ventilators. Now, good home has plenty of doors, windows and ventilators. Ventilators means those areas from where you can fresh air can enter the house and your bad air inside your house can leave the house. Okay, now bad air, how can you say that in your home there is bad air? See, if the house is full blocked or there are no ventilators or there are no windows and doors, then what will happen? You are breathing all the time. All now here in a room, if there are no windows, then the room is packed. Okay, now what will happen? That air will trap or there, that air will roam inside your room only, and all the germs and everything and those that air will have, then it will, after some days it will start smelling. Okay, so to remove all these things you need good ventilators, that is good windows and doors from where this stale air means basi hawa. Okay, which can go out and fresh air can come in. See, in the morning, first thing what your mother must be doing is she must be opening all the windows, right? Why? Because fresh air and sunlight should enter your room or your house. And the sunlight, what does the sunlight do? The sunlight keeps the fresh clean by killing all the germs that are present in that air. And even sunlight is healthy for you all because it gives you vitamin D, right? So for all these things, ventilators play a very important role, and they are very important to and it is very important. See, before when a house is made, at that time only it is all it is said that there should be a lot of windows and doors, right? So this is the reason why we keep doors and windows in our home. Now the second thing is what is the difference between these two pictures? Can you see a difference between these two pictures? See, first room is so dirty, everything is scattered everywhere in the room, and the next picture is so clean, the room is so clean. So which type of room would you like to live in? Obviously the clean one. So a good home is neat and tidy. In a good home, things are kept in their proper places. Everything has to be kept in their proper places. It is not like that you are playing with toys, so you will just let the toys be there only and then do some other work, and those toys are lying in the room like anything. Or if you are eating something, you will throw it there only. So it is not like that. So everything has to be in proper place to keep the room clean and tidy. Your mother must be sweeping every day in the morning. This is the first thing that what she does is clean the room or clean the house, everything in proper place, everything, whatever it is, neat and tidy room. Second is, it should be while pests and like mosquitoes, cockroaches, lice and flies are kept out. Now if your house is not clean, then all these things can breed, or all these pests, these are known as pests, okay, they can breed in dirty room because they like dirty places. So cockroaches, then rats, then termites, then so many other pests, mosquitoes, obviously mosquitoes, all these pests, they get accumulated, and then they make your house more dirty, and even it is harmful, because all these things can pollute your food, water, and then again and again you will fall ill. It will make your immunity go down, and again you will fall ill. So many diseases are caused because of this: dengue, malaria, then because of cockroaches, there are so many other diseases, cholera, and there are so many diseases, food poisoning, even food poisoning is there. So you can have all these diseases just because of this pests. All the rooms are cleaned regularly. So if all the rooms should be cleaned regularly, your room should be clean, then your kitchen should be clean. In kitchen, most of these pests breed. Why? Because kitchen has so many things for to feed on, right? Leftover food, or food has fallen down, or whatever it is. So all these things should be kept clean. Everything, your toilets should be cleaned, your utensils should be cleaned, everything should be cleaned properly. Even your kitchen, toilets also is a dirty place where all these pests breed. Now plants are watered every day. Plants should be watered every day. If you are having plants at your home, they should be watered every single day. Then garbage should be thrown in the dustbin. It should not lie anyway. Okay, every room should have a dustbin, and everything should be thrown in the dustbin, not here and there, littering here and there. The last thing is very, very important: water, food and electricity are not wasted. See, save water. In the toilets, obviously when you go for the toilets, or when you're brushing your teeth, you should not keep the taps open. These things are basic things which we should remember. Okay, when you're brushing your teeth, again your taps should not be open. Then washing your hands, take that much amount of water, or open that much amount of tap only that is required to wash your hands, face, or whatever it is. Then flushing also, your flush should not be open for a longer period of time. Flushing is very important, okay, but not wasting of so much of water is important. Then if you are watering plants, so your pipe should not be opened and kept for a longer period of time. Plants does not require so much of water, so limited amount of water can be given and it will be enough for the plants. Then don't waste food. Take that much amount of food which is required, or which you want to eat, that much only food you should be taken, should never be thrown in the dustbin. Food wastage is the biggest thing which we do usually, so that should be avoided. Then the room, everything, all the electric gadgets are open, TV is on, then your other things, lights are on, fans are on. So don't do this. If you see such thing, if you are leaving a room, in the school also we always tell you, when you are leaving a classroom, you should always switch off the fans and lights. Why? Because this saves electricity. This is our responsibility to save electricity. We cannot say that she has not done, or he has not done, or mummy has not done, or papa has not done. No, this responsibility you also can take it, right? So whenever you see lights open, switched on, sorry, not open, switched on, fans are switched on, so you can just switch off the button and that will be enough. Okay, that much you can do. Geysers, usually people keep on geysers, like in winter season they keep on geysers open only. No, it is harmful also. Okay, fire can break out because of this, and it is wastage of electricity also. Iron also people keep it. So don't keep all these electrical gadgets on a switch on mode. Okay, just you have to press one button and electricity can be saved. So that much we all can do. Now let us revise what a good and clean house should be, or a home should be. A house can be big or small. It can have one or more rooms. There are three essential features of a good house. It should be well lit. Well lit means all the ventilators should be there, airy and clean. That means sunlight should enter the house. Living in a clean house helps us stay healthy and happy. Insects and germs are found in dirty places and spread diseases. So living in a dirty house can make us ill, as I told you. So all these things should be kept in mind to make a home a good home. Okay. So children, here I end this video, and I hope you all have understood. See, a little bit of responsibility if you all take, then everything will be fine. Okay, so you have to be responsible. Okay, thank you children.